What's up, everyone? This is ArmyguyTravels coming at you from Pattaya, Thailand, and we're gonna do kind of a walk around and check out Beach Road and see what's going on. So hit that like button, subscribe. We just hit 10,000, so super happy. Thank you for the support, guys. Let's go. We're in Thailand. All right, so they have all the American restaurants over here. We've got McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell, which you guys know I love. Then we have the Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum right over here near Royal Golden Plaza. So there's Jomtien Beach over here. And today we've got not many people are at the beach except for down there. Look at all the boats. There's so many boats. And people paragliding. Yeah, so many boats out on the water today. You've got the Pattaya sign, Pattaya City, here in Chonburi. About an hour and a half, 2 hours from Bangkok, Thailand. It's funny, Asian people are so scared of the sun that they come out in full clothes to the beach. But yeah, everyone's got their sea-doos. We've got your awesome boats out there. So what's cool is if you go down near the sign and you go to that pier over there, that's where you can take the boat trips all the way out to the island. That's like, what, an hour away, half hour away. So that's pretty cool. But we're gonna go back to Beach Road, see what we can find, see what kind of stuff. We're gonna walk it down to Walking Street and then we'll come back. So I wasn't sure what the name of the island is. I just asked the guy. It's Koh Larn. So the island is Koh Larn, and he said he could do tours there. They have all the coconut drinks. Tons of Indian people. Lots and lots of Indians. So right now we're in the down season here in Pattaya. So basically it's dead, but it actually makes it cool because there's less people to fight for space with. But people are still enjoying it. As always, because this place is amazing. So we've got 7-Elevens everywhere. Like literally every block has 2 7-Elevens and a lady bar. Lots of good Indian food. Massage parlors, bars. There's actually some really good restaurants here. Really, really good restaurants. That lady right there just took a dump in the water. That's wild. Oh, they've got a Bollywood restaurant. That's cool. Hello. I'm just walking. No, it's okay. Thank you. Oh, that's crazy. So they took the sign down. There used to be a huge walking street sign right here, but they removed it. That's wild. Yeah, they used to have it. So let's walk over to Walking Street. We'll check that out real quick for just a moment. And then we'll come back and go back, because this is technically the end of Beach Road. Like, but at night, this entire place will be packed with partiers. This is all bars, clubs, Russian clubs, Indian clubs. Like, it's more adult oriented, but yeah, all these are like super fun place to hang out at night. Only weed instead of OnlyFans. Yeah, these are go-go bars that are one's already open. Yeah, definitely dead during the day, but everything wakes up at night and gets crazy. And then all these side streets have a bunch of bars as well. Some more lady bars, tattoo parlors. More go-go bars. I'm not gonna lie though, I normally hang out more at this place, but this trip I've only been hanging out on like Soy 6, Soy Bukaw. This is the first time I've actually been over here on Walking Street in the whole trip, so first time. Just kind of getting out and seeing more places in Pattaya. But yeah, it's crazy. They used to have a big Walking Street sign like right here, but it's gone now. Now it's kind of wide open. You used to have to like pick up your motos and your cars and bikes and everything right here, but now it's not the way anymore. Lots of these like stores with stuff to buy, shoes, underwear, socks, t-shirts. Oh, that's cheap. So this is one of the shopping areas right here. You can get your elephant pants, your Thai clothes, Thai boxing shorts, workout clothes, socks, chancletas, a little bit of everything. You need a wallet, they have it. Crocs, they have it. Prayer mat, they have it. Book bags. You got all your gym stores. People get broke and sell their stuff. Hello. Thank you so much. Yeah, people end up... Oh, tailor-made clothes.
1,000 baht, sir.
That's it?
1,000 baht. It's looking. Bro, welcome.
Oh, I like the shorts.
Yeah, 1,000 baht.
I don't have any cash on me, but I can come back. These look nice.
Take my card, sir.
You have a card? Oh, you take card? I didn't bring my credit card though.
No problem.
I'll come back. Thank you. Oh, business card? Okay. Yeah, these are cool actually. 1,000 baht is so cheap for a tailor-made shirt. Thank you so much.
Krishna Tailor Hi-Fi.
Krishna Taylor. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate you.
One suit, $100 one suit.
For a whole suit, $100.
Yes.
Dude, that's a gangster suit right there. So you can get that for $100?
Yes.
Nice. I like that one. That's cool. All right, well, thank you so much. I'll keep.
Okay.
When I come back to visit, I will get a suit. How long does it take to get it made?
Three day, 2 day.
That's not too bad.
Yes. This I measure make. Tomorrow fitting.
Yeah?
After tomorrow ready.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. All right, so I'm being honest, I might actually come back because some of the quality looks really, really good on his suits and the price is right. So when I come back here, we're definitely going to get a suit. So I'll reach out to him and I'll put his information in the description. So yeah, it's cool. But over here on Beach Road, you have everything from massage to the beach right here to shopping. Got all these like tons of shopping all the way down. Kebab, tons of 7-Elevens. So lots of restaurant, lots of food. Shoes. Yes, got the Ripley's, believe it or not. Got a Starbucks. Lots of weed shops. They still have Sizzler here. They still have Sizzler here, which is wild. Burger King, Taco Bell. You can get your mango sticky rice and a juice. Get some more weed. They literally have it everywhere here. More bars. The only way to get over your hangover is to drink another beer. And there are lots of beers to choose from here. Hello. Back over, we crossed over to see the cool sign here on Beach Road. It is super dead here in the off season. That over there is the Thailand's oldest go-go bar, Tahitian Queen. This is the beach sign for Pattaya Beach. It looks like it's all worn out. There's the big Hilton right over there. And then as you guys can see, the weather's actually really nice today. It hasn't rained yet, but nobody's really out. I know everyone was kind of out late last night. Beautiful. And then we got the working girls over here selling their services to the highest bidder. Yeah, there's like nobody. There's like maybe a few people down there on the beach, but that's about it. But your typical beach city with lots of working girls, because that's what the city pretty much, this side of the city is focused on, is adult entertainment. Welcome to Pattaya Beach Road. Got the really nice Hilton right there. This looks really nice. Market Bistro. Let's go look, check this out. So this is Central Pattaya. All right. That's cool. Yeah, this is neat. That's really cool. Shopping center. So we're over here near Central Pattaya. And it looks like they have all sorts of restaurants and shopping there. And I guess they really do celebrate Pride Month out here, big time in Thailand. Yeah, they always do it big for Pride here, pause, in Thailand. But you know what, on that note, I think we're gonna call this video an end. I just want to kind of show you guys a little walking tour of Beach Road in Pattaya, Thailand in the off season when it's dead. So make sure you guys put comments in the description about what you want to know, what you think about Pattaya, about this road. Normally it would be packed, but obviously it's down season right now. So hit that like button, subscribe, enjoy. Peace.